Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to restore Telegram chat history. First, open Telegram. Go to your settings, tap on the gear icon located on the lower right part of the screen, and then tap on Ask a Question. It will say in here that it is done by volunteers for Telegram, so they may not respond as quickly as possible. So tap on OK, and then tap on Start. Now we will choose an option with the buttons below. So instead of going through this, we can tap skip and proceed to volunteers. What you need to do is type in, once you're talking to a volunteer from Telegram, you just need to tell them the reason why you're trying to recover the chat and what happened on the chat, like you accidentally deleted it and whatnot. So you just need to talk to them. Please don't expect them to respond quickly because, as they say, their support is from volunteers. But you can try this method and then check if you can recover your deleted chat. And that's how to recover deleted chat on Telegram. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.